Today's video.
London's Burning was a song written about the Great Fire of London, a great fire that ripped through London in September of 1666. Historians think that the Great Fire started at a bakery. That's why I always eat cereal. There are 4 parts to this song, from the very easy to the slightly more difficult, so why don't you play along?
Part 4!
If you are still a beginner to the ukulele, or you're a bit younger, you will want to play part 4. Part 4 is all on the top string or the G string, so just drum that lightly with your thumb and wait 2 beats like this. 1, 2, 3. Play, wait, wait, play, wait, wait, play, wait, wait, play, wait, wait. Just like that the whole way through.
Part 3!
Part 3 is a little bit harder and it uses 2 different strings. It uses the C string and the G string. You play 2 on the C string and 2 on the G string, like this. If I zoom up to the top, you can see that my first finger, or second finger, doesn't really matter which for now, is on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string down. That's the C string. You keep it there the whole time. 1, 2, 3. And that's part 3.
Part 2!
Part 2 is the chords. So the 2 chords you will need are D7 and G, and D7 is here and G is here. The chords go like this: D7 followed by 2 Gs. Try that after 3. 1, 2, 3. D7 G G, D7 G G, D7 G G, D7 G G.
Part 1!
The tune starts in the same way that part 3 starts, on the C string and the G string. 2 2 no no, 2 2 no no. Then it moves on to the A string. No no 2 2, no no 2 2. Then it goes up to the 5. 5 5 5 5. Then 5 3 2 2. 5 3 2 2. 5 3 2 2. Let's put those parts together and play the tune now. 1 2 3. 2 2 no no, 2 2 no no, no no 2 2, no no 2 2. 5 5 5 5 5 3 2 2. 5 3 2 2. Thank you so much for watching London's Burning. I'll see you again. 1 2 3. 1 2.